If you're over 40 and digital marketing isn't part of your skill set, there is one key thing you need to know. The world isn't just changing, it's already changed. Meet Michael, a former sales manager who thought his 20 years of experience meant job security. But then his company started talking about digital transformation. Here's what's wild. Michael tried everything: YouTube tutorials, random courses, even asking younger colleagues. Nothing worked. He felt stuck, embarrassed, and worried about his future. But then he discovered something interesting. Research shows that people over 40 actually learn digital skills better than younger people. Why? Because they have something young people don't have: real business experience. Think about it. Digital marketing isn't about fancy tools, it's about understanding people. And guess who spent decades understanding how people think and make decisions? Here's the proof. One of our students, Tom, age 52, went from zero digital knowledge to running six-figure campaigns in 90 days. Not because he became a tech genius, but because he applied his 25 years of sales experience to digital marketing. But here's the most important part. The key isn't learning everything. It's learning the right things in the right order. That's why most courses fail people over 40. They teach everything at once. Instead, imagine mastering one simple skill each week, building confidence step by step, using tools designed for how you actually learn. The question isn't whether you can learn digital marketing. The real question is, will you let outdated beliefs about age hold you back from your next career breakthrough?